Bedroom design tips that may help. Choose a color scheme. Neutral tones such as beige, gray, and white are popular choices for a soothing and calming environment. Consider the lighting, the placement of the lights, and the type of light fixtures you want to use. Dimmer switches can be useful in creating a relaxing atmosphere. Optimize the layout, consider the flow of traffic, and leave enough space around the bed and other key pieces of furniture. Choose the right furniture. Select furniture that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. A comfortable mattress, a quality headboard, and nightstands are some essential items to consider. Add accessories, artwork, decorative pillows, curtains, and a rug can help tie the room together and create a cohesive look. Incorporate storage solutions. Consider incorporating built-in shelving, a closet organization system, or underbed storage to maximize the use of space. Create a focal point. A focal point can add interest and depth to your bedroom. Consider a statement piece such as a large piece of artwork. Follow us for more informative content.